The next thing on our list to talk about here is grouping versus hiding columns or rows. When you're working inside of Excel, it's pretty common that you're going to want to hide certain columns or certain rows of data because they're in the way and it's just making it harder for you to visualize the data. However, there's a common way that people do this, which is by hiding or unhiding columns or rows, and then there's a better way, which is by using the grouping function. What most people tend to do is they'll right-click on a column here, and then they'll hit this drop-down menu to say hide, and this will hide that column. This can be really frustrating when you're working inside of Excel, especially if you didn't make the sheet, because it's not readily apparent that there is a hidden column here. Then if you want to unhide the data, what you have to do is select the column on both the left and the right side of the hidden column, and then right-click and select unhide. The better way to go about doing this is just by selecting the column that you want to group based on, and then there's a group option that will make this a little bit easier to see that there's actually hidden data. We can simply do this by selecting the column of data here, then going up to the ribbon on the Data tab, and then we can click the Group button option. This gives us a really good visual reference where we have this line and then there's a minus sign next to it. When we click on it, it hides the columns that were part of the group, and you can easily see that there are hidden columns because now there's a plus sign that exists.